The German industry is urging Europe to reduce its dependence on China for raw materials needed for cleaner and more digital economies. China recently announced restrictions on certain metals used for semiconductors, causing concern among German industries. The restrictions by China require export permits for 8 gallium products and 6 germanium products starting from August. These metals are essential for high-speed computer chips as well as for the defense and renewable energy sectors. A member of the BDI German Industrial Association emphasized the need for Europe and Germany to decrease their reliance on critical raw materials. The BDI highlighted that Germany and Europe are already more dependent on mineral raw materials from China than on oil and natural gas from Russia. Another industry group called Bitkom emphasized the importance of significantly increasing Germany and Europe's digital sovereignty. Bitkom stated that German technology and security policy should aim to reduce unilateral dependencies and develop key digital technologies internally. Following the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Berlin has advocated for a strategy to reduce risks associated with dependence on China, similar to the approach taken towards Russia. The European Union member states recently adopted the Critical Raw Materials Act as part of their strategy to enhance competitiveness against the United States and China. A BDI member acknowledged the importance of recycling and processing raw materials, but called for a stronger emphasis on establishing domestic mining within Europe. German industry is concerned about China's export controls and sees it as a wake-up call for Europe to become more self-sufficient. The restrictions imposed by China highlight the urgency for Germany and Europe to reduce their reliance on critical raw materials. The dependence on Chinese raw materials is already higher than the dependence on Russian oil and natural gas. Another industry group called Bitkom is advocating for Germany and Europe to have more control over their digital technologies. They believe that German technology and security policies should focus on reducing dependencies and building capabilities in key digital areas. Berlin is pushing for a strategy that reduces risks associated with dependence on China, similar to the approach taken with Russia. The European Union has recently adopted the Critical Raw Materials Act to enhance competitiveness against the United States and China, but more emphasis is needed on domestic mining within Europe. Remember to subscribe.